Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's bound to pique your interest: ultra-masculine habits that women find irresistible and attractive. If you've ever wondered what sets ultra-masculine men apart and what makes them so appealing to women, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure you've subscribed to our channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our captivating content. Now, let's explore these ultra-masculine habits that women just can't resist. 1. Confidence. First and foremost, confidence is key. Ultra-masculine men exude confidence in their demeanor, their actions, and their words. Confidence is incredibly attractive because it shows that you believe in yourself and your abilities. Confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about self-assuredness. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin and projecting that to the world. Confidence makes women feel secure and drawn to your strong presence. 2. Physical strength and fitness. Being physically strong and fit is another ultra-masculine trait that captivates women. Taking care of your body not only boosts your health but also shows discipline and commitment. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle contribute to a strong physique. Strength is not just about muscles, it's about endurance and vitality. It's not about being a bodybuilder, it's about being in the best shape you can be. 3. Leadership. Ultra-masculine men often take on leadership roles. Whether it's in their personal or professional life, they're confident decision-makers who can guide others. Leadership is about taking responsibility and making informed choices. It's not about being domineering but rather inspiring and empowering others. Women are drawn to men who can lead and provide direction. 4. Emotional intelligence. Contrary to the stereotype that masculinity means emotional stoicism, ultra-masculine men possess emotional intelligence. They understand and express their emotions effectively. Emotional intelligence means being in touch with your feelings and understanding others. It's about empathy, active listening, and communication. Women appreciate men who can connect on an emotional level. 5. Resilience. Ultra-masculine men are resilient in the face of challenges. They don't crumble under pressure, they rise to the occasion. Resilience is about bouncing back from setbacks and adversity. It's having the mental strength to stay determined when the going gets tough. Women admire men who can handle life's ups and downs with grace. 6. Confidence in style. Dressing well and having your unique sense of style is another ultra-masculine habit. It showcases your attention to detail and personal grooming. Your clothing reflects your personality and self-respect. Dressing well doesn't mean you have to follow fashion trends, it's about wearing what makes you feel confident. Women appreciate a man who takes care of his appearance. 7. Chivalry and respect. Being chivalrous and showing respect towards women is a timeless ultra-masculine trait. It's about valuing and protecting the women in your life. Chivalry includes acts like holding doors, offering your coat, or walking on the street side of the sidewalk. Respect means treating women as equals and listening to their opinions. Women find it irresistible when men show genuine respect and kindness. 8. Ambition and purpose. Having ambition and a clear sense of purpose is incredibly attractive. Ultramasculine men are driven to achieve their goals and make a positive impact on the world. Ambition is about setting and pursuing meaningful goals. Having a purpose gives direction and motivation to your life. Women admire men with a strong sense of ambition and a drive to make a difference. And there you have it, folks, the ultra-masculine habits that women find absolutely irresistible and attractive. Remember, it's not about conforming to stereotypes, it's about embodying these positive traits in your unique way. If you found these insights intriguing or have any thoughts to share, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and keep embracing those ultra-masculine qualities that make you the best version of yourself.